Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of area and circumference of a circle. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson.
Two square tiles, right, of equal size. Equal means they're same lah, identical lah, yes or no? Okay, equal size. So if 20, everything is 20 lah, yes or no? Of equal size. 20, 20, 20, 20. Get it or not? Yeah, hello? Understand, Rachel? The tiles are 20, 20. Okay, again? Okay, whether I made it nice or not is another story. Maybe like like that looks nice for you. 20, 20. You understand what they are trying to say? Like they are squares. Now, look squares now. You see? Yeah? Two square tiles of equal size are shown. But some parts of the tiles are painted, right? All right. One tile, both 20, 20 actually. One tile is painted 1/4 circle. The other tile is painted 1/4 plus 1/4 is half. Yes, not? Yes. Then he go and lay a floor with tiles. They are shown with the pattern as shown below. Oh my God, okay? Onto a floor, which is completely covered with the tiles. Yeah? What is the best way to do the tiles? Mr. Lucas, just tell me, what's the best way to do these tiles? To look at these tiles? Okay, find the area of floor that is covered by the painted part of the tiles. Okay? So I just need to find the painted part of the tiles. Painted is how many circles that I can draw lah. Yes, not? Our strategy is find how many circles can be painted on this floor of 3.6 and 5.2. Yes, not? That is covered by all these tiles. How many circles can we get from there? What's the best way to look at it? By how many tiles each time? Always go for the smallest unit. Don't go for the big one. Yeah? So what's the best number or way to see how to fit the tiles? Always go for the smallest one, okay? I think the best way to see, anyone will share with me? I think it's best to see by 3. See in 3s, because 3.6 can divide by 3. Okay, look, people, if I look at 3s, I know they are different all over the place, but every tree got how many circles inside there? If I look by 3s. Mr. Brian, anybody, Rachel, Alejandro, and Tia can tell me every 3 squares, I don't care whether they're up and down, but inside there got how many circles? 2. You can see 2 circles. 1 circle because 2 halves. Now I'm going to enlarge it for your understanding. Yeah? You can see 1 circle. 1 circle. 1 circle. Half and half of a circle. Can you see it? Half plus half. That's why we work in 3s is the best. Every 3 tiles, 1 circle. And you know why I choose 3? Nice number. Yeah, not? Don't, if you choose, good luck to you. You choose 4, then you don't want to work with something like I have a half and a quarter for God help you. Yes, not? So you know why I choose in 3? Because I saw every 3 can get 1 nice circle. So it's a matter of how many of these 3 squares I can put into this rectangle. Yes or not? Yes or not? Is he kind to us? He is not really that kind, but okay, I don't know where it ends, people. I really don't know where it ends. I'm just okay. 3.6 divided by this. Hey, 20, right? 20 cm, right? Each tile is 20 cm. Do you remember? Each tile is 20 cm here? Not me, This each tile is 20 cm. So 3.6 meter is 360 meter, right? So 360 divided by 20. How many rows can I get? 18 row. Oh, you were fast, man. Okay, row 1, row 2. Understand what I'm saying? Here will be row 18. Oh, just nice, right? 18 sets of this. Hey, that's cool, right? Yes, 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 yes. That's cool. So maybe I draw this for you. In that case, I'll establish this guy as well. This one needs space. So there are 18 of this. 18 of this means 18 circle lah. 1, 2, 3 to 18. So inside one of these 3 boxes would have 1 full circle. Can I write here? 1 full circle combine. You can see, agree or not? 1 full circle combined. We're half and half. Yes? So 18. Now only I establish the rows. How about columns? If I establish columns, I'm home run already, right? Right, Rachel, I understand what I'm saying? Okay, so is he kind to us? Okay, how do you find how many columns? That means straight bars can we do? Antia, help me. How many straight bars can we do? How many straight bars can we do? So how do we do? Just now we take 360 divided by 20. Now we take 520 divided by 3,000. You understand what I mean? 3,000 is 60. 20 times 3. Because I'm going by 3,000, I got no choice. Get it? That is the ugly one. That guy is wicked. Rachel, Antia, do you understand why I divide by 60? Because I'm working in tiles of 3 to get a nice whole circle. 60, because 20 cm times 3. So needs divide by sets of 3. Do you understand what I'm trying to do? People, I'm trying to get sets of 3. Do you understand? How many of these can I get there? Divide by 60, how much you get? Rachel, do you know understand why I divide by 60? Alejandro? Okay, how much you get? 8.6. 8. Okay. 8. That's all. That means, see, that's why I say this guy at least give people a nice number, right? There are some things that we can't make it, right? Don't need to round off. Not round off lah. 8 of this. So I'm going to 8 of this. That means is 8 times 60 is 480. You're right. Okay, Ken. 8 times 60 is 480. 520 minus how many more people? 40. 40 more. That means 2 sets of tiles, right? Girls and boys. You understand? That means if I completed it, you know what's going to happen? That means okay, let me duplicate this. That means if I go all the way, let me duplicate this. If I were to go all the way, I will have 8 sets. I mean, a little bit, right? 8 sets, right? Yes, 8 sets, 8 sets, this will be, I mean, like column 1, column 2, column 7, column 8. Do you understand? Yes, no. But unfortunately, I have 40, right? I have 40, to be done, right? Yes, not. 40 is from what? 40 is actually this 2. Okay, I'm going to establish this first. 40 is this blue guy, right? Woo. Yes, no. 40 is this blue guy. Understand? This blue guy. Because 20 and 20. So sad. So understand why I'm saying 40? Yeah. Let's see how much is this guy covered. Well, I'm going to left with this ugly part. Can you see the blue guy? Yeah, okay. This is the remaining 40. Until understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. Within these 2 guys, how many circles can you see inside one box? Count lah. Can you see? How 3/4 of a circle. Agree first or not? 3/4 of a circle for every row 1, row 2, up to row what? Up to row 18, right? I said 3/4 of a circle times 18 of them. Do you understand why first? Do you understand, Rachel? Okay, I don't know where it ends, but I know this guy is the 18 guy, and it will be 3/4 of the circle. Understand why? Understand? Okay, let's see how many circles when you count. Then we can see how much is painted lah. What the question wants? Find the area that's covered by the painted part. So I just want to know how many circles are there inside here. Okay? Who can tell me? From the first part, very easy to establish, right? From here to here, can we establish how many circles can be inside here? Who can tell me? What times what? How many circles can I find in this orange color box? Oh, I'm only doing paper 2, so I'm sorry. How many rows? Because every 3 is 1, right? So how many rows? And how many columns are? Will give me how many circles, right, people? Richard, Alejandro, do you understand what I'm saying? How many rows and how many columns? So there are 18 rows, right? Miss Rachel, can you see? 18 rows of 1 circle, can you see? Because 3 of them make 1 circle. So 18 rows of 1 circle, 18 rows of 1 circle, times how many columns of 1 circle? You know a column? Column is straight down. How many columns? Times what? Alejandro? 8, right? Yes? And here, do you understand? A full circle. This will give me a full circle. Yes or no? Yes? But the end, I have to plus how many? These are full circle. This will give me the nice full circle. You understand or not? Plus how many remainder rows? 18 times 3/4 circle. Do you understand or not? Do you understand what I'm saying? Plus 18 rows of 3/4 circles. Yes or no? Hello? 3/4 circle like this lah. Okay, 3/4 circle. Maybe I should fill it. Girls, do you know why I did that? Okay. Mr. Brian, are you convinced? Delete. 3/4. Until, do you understand what we are doing? Thank you. Okay lah. So if you understand, can you tell me how many area of circles are covered? How many first? How many in terms of circles? How many of them? You add them, right? How many of them? 18 times 8 plus 18 times 3/4. Do you know why 18 times 8? Because 3 of them give me a full circle, there are 18 rows times 8 columns. Miss Alejandro, do you understand what I'm saying? I think I'm very clear. Which column will give you a full circle, but you got 18 rows of 8 columns. 18 rows of 8 full circle. Until you understand what I'm saying? Thank you. Rachel, understand what I'm saying? Each column, straight one, will give you a full circle. We have 18 rows of 8. Yes, so that's why 18 times 8. But the remainder, because only 2 squares I showed you, is 3/4 of a circle. Can you see? 3/4 of a circle times 18 rows. Rachel, understand? Okay, tell me how many circles then. Come, help me. Give me the number. 157.5. Okay. So now I take one, I hope this number is correct, 0.5 times, what's the area of a circle? Pi, which they want as 2207, right? Times R. What is this R? Don't give me the R wrong, Can you see here? What's the R? Here's your R. 14, You agree? Agree? Yeah, times 14 squared. Okay, put calculator and pray hard. I think, what you got? 97020. Is it cm? Oh, your meter. Isn't meter? Oh, cm. We work in cm, lah. Okay, cm. Okay, square. Okay. Okay, can anyone confirm this? 9702 cm square? Oh, this guy like Bopang Chan. This one really out to kill us. Anyone confirm? Yeah. Yeah, Brian confirmed. Very good. So well, that should be the answer lah. Okay, Ken? So we will move on. Can I?
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.